Tayo lang dalawa, bebe. Happy Chinese New Year! Kung hipa choy! Santay ginhong! Ayan siya. Iniwan siya. Kasi today is the first day of Chinese New Year. And ang tradition, lahat ng mas bata pupunta sa mas old. Mga nakakatanda. So, iniwan kami. Huh? Yan, ayan ang aming mga decoration. That one, nakahang. And ang aming handa, always like that. May preparation na. Yun na ganito making is sweets. And pampaswerte daw yan. And ang aming flowers, yan lagi ang aming flowers. Daffodils ata yan. Tawag dyan. Kahapon lang siya binili. Namukadkad na siya. That's it. And ayan ang weather. May padogyo ulit kami tiyaan. Ang weather is hot weather. Medyo malamig din. Kaso nga lang sunny. Sunny day on today's first Chinese New Year. Wala pa akong narinig na dragon dance dito. So baka bukas. That's it. And alas 4 na. So, ang sad-sad ng bebe ko. Ang sad-sad, bebe. Your mom said she will go home late. Is it okay? Come on. Let's hug each other. Because tayo lang naman dalawang mag-hug, bebe. Hug. Hug na lang kami ng bebe ko. Two old friends meet again. Talk about the places they've been. Look at them. Two old sweethearts feel apart. Oh, don't cry! I thought you were crying. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Live life to the fullest, square and fair. Happy Chinese New Year! Happy Chinese New Year! Oh, that's nice.